What's up, everybody? It's your boy Benny here at STP Diesel, and here we go again with another shop action episode. And today I got a badass 6.0 Powerstroke right behind me. I love that race red color on any truck. I love it, love it, love it. If you've been keeping up with us, you notice that this truck here was previously in another video where we showed that it had loss of compression. We did a manual compression test across the board on all 8 cylinders, and it had a couple of them that were down. Something happened with it, I think hydro locked or whatnot, and it just didn't make it. But we talked to the customer about it. He said no worries, he wants to keep this truck for forever, so he said upgrade me please, so say less. We're going to be pulling out this motor, we're going to redo the long block, ARP studs, we're going to go with holders, fuel injectors, KC turbo, fuel pressure regulated concern, new front cover, the works. This truck is gonna be A1 ready to go. Also, the guy said I want lift kit, wheels, and tires, so that's our specialty. We can take care of your rig bumper to bumper, one-stop shop. We're gonna also be doing a BDS suspension lift kit, wheels, tires, American Force wheels. After that, put her on the alignment rack, get her straight, and down the road she's gonna go A1 powerful than ever. So let's get to it. All put back together and almost ready to go back into the truck. So this thing's got a fresh long block, a new front cover and oil pump. As you can see right there, we got a new water pump in it. This thing is actually getting some upgraded fuel injectors as well from Holders Diesel, and right next to it we have this fuel pressure regulated return kit that's fixing to be mounted to it. Alrighty, let's go walk over here to the truck to see how she's looking. Boom, there she goes. Beautiful race red. I love this color, race red. I don't care what anybody says. This thing always, it looks like it's going fast even when it's standing still. There she is. Motor is out. She is in the air. My man is installing a fast fuel system on it right now, and he had to drop the tank and clean it all out. We always drop the tank anytime we do a fast fuel system just to make sure it's free of debris. And look at all of this shiny stuff right here. No limit intercooler pipe kit, KC turbo, and a no limit cold air intake right there. Looking forward to getting this thing put back together and turned back into the client. She's gonna be one badass little 6-liter, especially after adding our little touch to it. What's up, everybody? So here we go. We are still rocking and rolling with our F250 here, the client 6.0 Powerstroke that we put a new long block in, a bunch of upgrades on the engine, lift kit, and now overhauling the suspension. So let's check out what we have going on. What are we doing here? We got, I see some, it is TTX ball joints. These are the only ball joints we like to use here for these heavy duty applications on lifted trucks. They are stout. We got the spring, we got the Fox 2.0, the 4-link going on. What else are we doing here?
We're doing a track bar, drag link, and tie rods.
Drag links, tie rods, and track bars. So this bad boy is gonna be ready for the road. Thank you guys again, man. We are going, we are rocking and rolling. Peace.